That's how it is a miracle. That's right. Come on now, pick up those feet. 4 easy moves. You know them. Let's just give them a quick rehearsal. Walking in place. I wait for my beat. I listen for my speed. It's 4 and 3 and 2. Hey guys, just step out. We'll go right into our easy moves, side steps. And you know, later on we build these into much bigger movements. We add the arms, and that's when you can call on so much muscle. Out together, 4 and 3 and 2. We always go back to walking and walk. Good. Kicks are coming. 4 more. Here's 4 and 3 and 2. An easy kick. Just go ahead. Any leg will do. Don't worry, is it right or left? Keeping yourself moving to the beat. That's how you get fit. It's not worrying about learning steps. It's not the steps that even get you fit. It's the speed. Keep the pace. Even if you're walking all the way through it, you'll get fit. 4 more counts. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. Walk, 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 walk. Again. Back to walking in between. Pick up feet a little wee bit higher. Nice. Corbin. You ready to go 5?
Always ready.
Yeah. Thank you, doll. Wonderful. Come on. And 4 and 3. Knee lifts ready. So a knee lift. All you do is make sure you've got a really strong and stable core. The way you do that is simply to take the belly button, draw it back toward the spine, flatten up that deep muscle. Oh my goodness, that's it. You locked in your core, you're ready to move with big movements. That's where that power is coming from the middle. Here's 4, here's 3, here's 2. Walk, 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 walk. Good job, nice. All right, we're gonna move around already. Let's go. All ready to go. Carrie, Nikki, Nick, yes. Nice. 2 up, 2 back. So let's go, guys. Let's get motion right away. It's 1 and 2. Just stretch the legs out. Move the furniture. It's gonna be a sweaty one. Yeah, it's good to have a little room. And back. And 2. Good. Go 1 and 2. Back up and 1 and 2. Good. Go 1 and 2. And back. Let's do it again. One more time. Up and back. And right here, guys. Pick up your feet a bit higher. Open up. We'll go right into kickbacks. Give me 4 more. Here's 4 and 3 and 2. Now a kickback. All you do, lift heels. Hamstring curl. Good. Allow the arms to just relax for now. We're getting muscle warm. We're getting a little juice in the joints. You want to feel good in a full range of motion. The body, the joints like release a little bit of lubrication as they warm up. That's how you feel so good. When you're in that full range, that big flexible movement. Kick back 2 more. Here's 1, here's 2. Let's walk. Walk, walk, walk. Nice. Walk tall. Pump those arms a little bit now. Every like 30 seconds you get warmer and warmer. Yeah, and you do. Exactly. Come on, feet. Walk to the beat. Nice. Kicks are coming back. 4 and 3 and 2. Tight tummy and then get that leg up there a little bit higher now. Just a bit. Let the arms come toward the feet. That's it. You can feel body temperatures raising. It only takes a few minutes to warm up safely. And then we're ready to just take off and move as strong as we want. Nice. Here's a kick and a kick. Kick. 2 more kicks. Here's 1 and 2. Walk, walk, walk. Nice. Pump arms. Pump, 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 pump. Boosted walking. You know it. I love it. I was going to say you love it, but you know, we all know the benefit. It's so awesome to take the body into a work phase and a recovery phase. We're doing it right now. Hey guys, real light. Start a gentle jog. Yeah, start a gentle jog. Good. Camilla, just, you know, if there's any reason somebody says, hey, I cannot get into high impact, I want to show them. You keep going. I'm going to show. You stay on the higher impact. When you cannot do high impact, do this. Blow out that air. Okay, now, I'll come up with you. There you go. Now we'll take it. Yeah. That's okay. Yeah. You go right ahead. We're going to back up 4 and in place 4. Ready? Let's go. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. In place right here. Go 4, 3, 2. Come on up for 4, guys. 4, 3, 2. In place 4, 4, 3, 2. Back it up. Let's go. Hey, 4, 3, 2. In place for 4. Almost 2 recovered. Up 4. Recovery, go, down. It's heels, 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 go, heel. Blow out that air, blow. Empty your lungs out a lot. Help your body adjust. 8 more counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Little gentle. Here we go. Gentle. Gentle jog. There you go. 4 back. Let's go. 3, 2. In place. Let's go. 4. Go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 in place. 4, 3. Back up. Here we go. 4. Good. In place. 4. 2. And up. No. 4, 3, 2. In place. 4. Recovery. Ready. Down. Woo. How's that feel? Nice. Here we go. Burn some calories. That's it. Fast walking burns a bunch of calories. So good. Walk, walk, walk. I always need that few seconds to get my pace, get my speed, get my beat. Got it. 4, 3. Nice, nice, nice. Hey guys, start a little bounce with me. Little bounce. Bounce to the beat. Bounce. Arms like this. Arms. 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 Extend high. Come on. 4, 3. Walk for 4. Walk 4. 4, 3. Bounce for 4. Arms up. 4, 3, 2. Walk for 4. Just walk. 4, 3, 2. Bounce for 4. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Walk for 4. Go. 1, 2. Bounce. This time side step 4. Go. 4, 3, 2. Bounce 4. Bounce 4. 4, 3. Side step 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Bounce for 4. Let's go. 4, 3. Side step 4. Come on. Go. 2, 3. Bounce 4. 4. Last set, everybody. Side step 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Bounce 4. We're done. 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. Yeah. Nice, guys. Nice. Turn your hip to the front. Turn it right to the screen at home. All we're going to do is do a little shift. Kind of get up on the balls of your feet. Lighten up on your feet. Your hip comes forward and back. We're going to add some punch. Hold one arm strong. And go right ahead. Extend the arms into a little punch. Come on, go punch. Punch. Every time the hip comes forward, punch. Punch. Serve. 8 more. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. It does feel like a little surfboard, huh? Did you ever do that stand-up paddle? Did you ever do that yet? No, not yet. You surf. Okay, you surf. Good, good, good. Listen, what is that, Leslie? 4, 3. Turn the hips. Good. Just a little shift. So get light on the feet. Here it comes. Shift your weight. Hips go forward and back. Yeah. Come on. One arm strong for the anchor. Go, Nick. Get ready for the punch. Here it comes. Ready? We're punching now. Punch. Extend the arm. Straight out. Straight out. One arm strong and hold you stable. The other one's flying. Go. 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 How about just 4 more big ones? 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Nice. Woo. Yeah. Strong. I know you feel good. Wow, that heart rate is up. That's when the body's getting so challenged. You're burning a ton of calories. The muscles are active. The heart and lungs are working strong. Nice. Yes. Come on. That is the way to walk yourself healthy. You're doing it. Let's get a little more cardio in. Pick up feet. Feet, 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 feet. Let's give it a little stretch, guys. Inhale up. Exhale. Good. This is a nice time in the workout to get some full range of motion, lengthen the body. Let's go up one more time. I love it. And then big, deep breathing, too. While those feet are moving. Oh, I love it. Hey, a little backstroke. Just take your arms and throw them back. Nice. Like that. It's just a big range of motion. That's what I love. I love to feel good in that full range. Woo, last two. All right, now just a walk, 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 walk. Good. Open up feet, kick back. Okay, lift the heel, hamstring curl. Lift the heel, there you go. Hamstring initiates the move. Sit into it, guys. Talk to those guys. Come on, fire them up. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. We're going to move around a little with kickbacks. 4 counts forward. There you go. 3 and 4. 4, 3, 2. Extend the arms. Keep them there. 3 and 4. Back up. 4, 3, 2. Come on forward. Here we go. 4, 3 and 2. Back up. You are activating core muscle just by throwing those hands to the front. I'll tell you when to pull back. Not yet. 4, 3, 2. Now 4 up. Here we go. Now start the arms. Pull. Pull. Back up. 4, 3. One more time. Forward. Forward. Back it up for 4, 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. You got that. Good. Nice. All the muscle in all the directions. I love it. Hey guys, step and tap. You're going to step and tap 2 times forward, 2 times back. Get the path of motion first. 3 and 4, 4, 3. My leg didn't want to go yet. Now it does. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. There we go. We got it. Step, tap, step, tap. It's step, tap, step, tap. Now, step and tap. Get the path of motion going first. You feel good knowing what you have to do with your feet, right? Like that. Anytime you want, add a knee lift, guys. Anytime. Step, knee, step, knee, step, knee. Hey. Step, knee. Yeah, there you go. Lift. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Hey, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Step, knee, step, knee, step, knee, step. You got it. Knee, step. That is just, that's the way. That's the way. You got it. Go, Carrie. Go, my girl. Woo. I love that. Carrie. Carrie's got the bounce, honey. Nice. Step, knee, step, knee. 1. Hey. Come on back. Walk, walk, walk. Walk. Wow. There you go, Walker. I was ready to go. Nice, nice, nice. Hey, guys, let's go right back to kickbacks. Open up the feet. Open up. We're going to do 4 kickbacks and 4 knee lifts to the front. Watch it first. Join us when you're ready. Ready? Let's do kickback now. Here's 4, 3, 2. Now lift the knee, so bring it up. The feet stay wide. Go back to kickback. Go. 4, 3. All right, now your arms go to your hips, but knees. 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 Now kick back and 4, 4, 3, 2. Knees, hands here. Hands. Hands. Good. Kick back. Go. 2, 3. Here's arms. 1, 2, 3. Kick back. 4, 3, 2. There we go. Hands, hips, and hips, and hips. Last time. Kick back. 1 and 2, 3. And that's it. Walk, walk, walk. Whoa! Come on. Power walk. Extend arms way up and all the way down. All the way up. All the way down. Real strong. Real long. Real lean. I love that. It feels so long and tall. All the way up. All the way down. All the way up. All the way down. Back stroke. Back. 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 Full range of motion. Come on. 8, 4, 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3. I love when we sweat together. Because I can just feel my sweat. I love it. Keep walking, everybody. Feels so good. Yeah. Come on. Power walk now. Yes. And step taps coming. Give me 4, 3, 2. Step tap. Everybody. Step tap. Step tap. Step tap. Step. Anytime. Knee. Anytime. Let's go. Good job. Blow out that air. And all the way back. One more time. Up. You got it. And back to a walk. Always to a walk. Hey, guys, we're going to do 4 side steps. So a little bit of room at home. You want to get off to the side. 4 side steps this way. 4 side steps that way. We're going to get those legs moving. Ready? 4. Let me get my pace. I hear it when my foot doesn't land on that beat. I need a second to grab the speed. It's here. Go ahead, guys. There we go. We go 4, 3. I got it this time. We're going now. Out together, out together, out together, back. Out together, out together, out together, back. Out together, out together. Yeah. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead. Pick up that other foot. Let it lead. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love the lateral movement. Good for the body. Those hips. Yeah. Go. 3, 4. Now 1, 2. I love when they crack each other up. Last set. Go strong. Come on. Woo. You need your balance on this. Walk. Got it. Nice. Tight tummy, ready for kicks. Here we go, guys. Kick strong. Now really, lock in your belly. Belly button toward the spine. Beautiful alignment. I want your back to be long and tall. Your core to be stable. Reach for your feet. Reach. Power kick. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk. You did that. Yes. Little bounce. Bounce. Arms up and out. Ready? We're going now. Up and out. Let's go. 8 and 7, 6, 5, 4. Real strong, real long. Come on, stretch out. Reach up. Stretch out. Walk. Woo, where are we going, Liz? Nice. 4 counts up, 4 counts back. Big walk. Here goes. 4, 3, 2. Back up. Good. Toward the screen. Come toward the screen. 3, 4. Back up. Go. It's just a fast walk. Go. 2, 3, and 4. I love the stretch out around the room. I love it. 3, 4. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back up. 4, 3, 2. Good job. 2, 3. Work on 4. Back. 2, 3. Last time up. Go. I like to feel a little wind, you know? Down. Walk, easy walk, guys. And a power walk. Woo. Nice. And go. That heart rate is strong. It's where you need it to be to have a stronger heart, stronger lungs, improved muscle tone, stronger bones. Everything that's healthy when you speed walk, when you fitness walk, you want it today. Come on. Pick up those feet. Nice. Tap out's coming. 4 and 3 and 2 and ready. Here's tap out now. Tap out. Sit low. Then we're going to follow those feet with the arms like this. Here we go. Follow the feet. That's all you do. Extend the arm. Go. You are walking yourself healthy. You're walking yourself strong. You're walking yourself happy. Yes. You're walking yourself smart. Oh, yes. It affects the brain when we get up and move. Chemicals in the brain, they absolutely trigger a more focused response. You're more focused. You're more creative. Come on, you got to get up and fitness walk. 3, 4, 5 times a week. That's what I want you to do. 4, 3. Walk. Whatever your goals. If you want to maintain good health, I think 3 times a week are going to be strong for you. If you want to lose weight, 4 or 5 fitness walks a week, I know you're going to say, I love how this feels. I love the results. Hey, arms ready? Up high. Let's go. Up and up and up and up. This is a fitness system to get you results. It's not a fitness walk, for just, I don't know, just for recreation. I think that's healthy for you, though. When you want to go out and walk around the neighborhood, please do it. It's so healthy. And I promise you, this is the type of walking that gets you results. 4, 3, 2. Walk. Arms are down. Power walk. Strong. All the basics are so good. And I like to end the real basic session with HIIT.